Hey, what's up? What's up? Day 13 of the MLGs and Clickbank series. My name is Lonnie, Playbook Affiliates. If this is your first time here, hit that like and share button so you can get all the updates of everything I'm doing in this 90-day challenge. So basically, the challenge is to level up over the next 3 months, starting with making $100 a week to $200 a week to $300 a week. So that's my hopes and plans by the end of this challenge. So far, we're getting close. We're getting there. I'm having some $100 weeks, but it's a work in progress. One of the things that I know so far that I things that I have been doing good and things that I haven't been doing so good. So things that I have been doing good is trying to get out the emails every day. Things that I haven't been doing so well is always being consistent with getting them out simply because life gets in the way. So I'm trying to really work on my scheduling to make sure these get out every day at the same time. Because the one thing about this service is you get 20 every 24 hours, you get to resend out emails. So if I screw up and I don't get my emails out at 8 a.m. and I get them out at say 12, that means the next day I can't go back to getting them out at 8 a.m. because my timing is off. So that's the one thing nobody talks about in this, and it's something I think that you should know because it's very important. Because the later you get those emails out, the later it get to the people. The people who may want to see it are missing it because they don't look at their emails at that time or whatever. So that's what you want to know. So basically, how this works is you get 100 leads per day to send out to what I'm using is the eBusiness service with Clickbank. So you get those emails to send out. Now to increase your number of leads to 200 per day, you have to do what we call link chaining or referring. So link chaining is this. Basically, like I said, 100 to 200. So you have to have multiple accounts, and the multiple accounts also how that works is you get in the multiple accounts you can use one email per account. So what I do is I link one with two, and that gives you 200, two with three, 200, three with four, 200, four with five, 200. But this one's important because I'm only using 5 accounts for this case study. Some people are using 10. I suggest the sweet spot is 5. But what happens is that costs you, in the beginning, costs you $60 per account and then $30 after that per account. So, but we want to get this up to at least getting your 200 so you're getting all of your leads. And how do you do that is by doing a referral system. So anyway, so at the end of the week, you should be getting about 7,000 leads per day, per week. So we go back into there. Here's the breakdown. Like I said, I talked about you get 24 hours. You can only send out once a day. That's because of spam laws. You don't want to be just spamming people. You earn $5 a month residual income per referral. If you refer 5 people in 1 week, you boost that up to $100 extra in your week. But me, I really don't focus on this part right now because I'm more so focused on using the service for Clickbank. But in the meantime, you do get some referrals. I also do some other little things as well. I'll probably talk about that soon too. So you get $5 for first referral, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Those are your levels. Here's some more information what other people are doing in this. We also have a Facebook group. Once you're in, you can use that Facebook group to grow what you're doing. So and ask questions and different things like that. So let's go ahead and go into what you're actually doing. So in my account, so I'm using this as an example so you see, but I actually have the fifth. I I use this in a different way for my fifth account, but you get your I have these up to 200 leads. So what I do now after the 200 leads, I'm only showing you examples, so I've done enough of these. So anyway, I would have either I'm creating the email, like I said, I got enough, so I'm using this as example. So one that I've already done. So you would put your subject line in here, and you can change this up. It's really finding out what works per your group. That should not have been in there. But anyway, I'll fix that later. Okay. And then what it does is it loads up your email. One thing that you want to do with your emails is focus on not giving away everything in that email, but giving away just enough. Did you know your laptop plus our secrets equals 6 figures? So what that does is it piques curiosity. So the person reads that email, wants to know what you're doing. And then in here, you want to go into here. This should not have been here. I'll have to fix that. Have you ever gazed at your laptop and imagine it as a gold mine? Which means that's agitating kind of what the 6-figure thing is that you're trying to talk about. Believe it or not, countless individuals are transforming their ordinary laptops into 6-figure generators. Okay, so now that piques them a little bit more. And then you go on to talk about it. Then you go on to kind of your solution to what you're talking about. And then you give them your link, which I have tied to my ClickBank. And also here, I have a signature line. I have my Gmail account. You can hit me on the Gmail here. I also have a phone number that you're able to use as well. And then you go down to your playbook. Playbook mastery is something that I'm going to be adding on. I still haven't gotten into working it, but it is there. And then, like I said, I have right here is I kind of promote my my lead gen a little bit. So this is how you kind of get that extra referral that you're trying to do. All right, so I'm very big on using ChatGPT because it really helps you create some solid emails, especially if you're not a copywriter. If you're not a copywriter, you literally have nothing to lose. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to create you different types of emails. My big one right now is this one here, this prompt. Feel free to use it. Can you tell me who are the top 5 greatest copywriters for marketing products? Also using the problem agitate solution style of marketing. And then they'll go on to tell you about it. And these are the top 5 people. And what I do from that is, and this was just a small example, I'll say, create me an email from copywriter David Ogilvy based on this email based on the email style, based on this email, based on the email that I put into here. And what I do to you, I use different emails from the email swipe file. So the one thing about this, so many emails are going out. So a lot of times probably the same email, somebody's seen it 100 times. So switching it up a little bit really helps. So once I do that, then I'll put that email in here. And then after that, then I'll send out that email. So my thing, what I'm doing right now is I'm creating a bunch of emails based on each one of these top 5 copywriter style. And then I'm using that to find out what my audience like, which style do they like, 1 through 5. And then after that, I'm going to take that and start probably by next month, start to using my stats to find out who has the best email. Let's go ahead next. So basically, like I said, I go to the email business. This is the top job right now here, live chat jobs. you sign up for an account. One cool thing about this, once you sign up, send them an email and they'll bump your commissions up 10%. Up at 10%. So it'll be 85% commission on that first one. Then I use their email swipes to create my email. I use Signature Hound to create my nice looking email signature, and then boom, basically that puts everything together. Next, I'm gonna end it off today. So let's go back in here to ClickBank. So got my emails out yesterday, and bang, I got a sale. So $17.98. Not bad. Not extremely great. I would like this to say 100, stuff like that. But hey, it's another sale, moving me closer to the needle, moving me closer to what I'm doing. So in my links below, you can sign up under me if you like. If not, sign up. Either way, I'm still going to keep doing what I'm doing. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. I'm an open book. We can have a chat, Facebook chat, whatever you like. But that's it for today. I'll see you on the next one.